Hi guys, in this video we will see how to create a Microsoft account in your Windows 11 system. It's very easy to create a Microsoft account. If you have no any Microsoft account, you can easily create it. Here are the process. Right click on a start button and choose settings. Go to Windows 11 settings page. Here from the left side of settings, you will find the option accounts. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here scroll down and you will find accounts. Here click on add a Microsoft account and a new page will open. Here you will find sign in option, create one, no account, create one. Click on it. On the next page, choose the option get a new email address, or if you have already an email address then simply enter it, or choose a new email address as per your choice, either outlook.com or hotmail.com. You can easily connect with outlook.com or hotmail.com. So enter a email address here and click on next. Someone already has email address, try another one. So choose as per your choice a new email address and click on next. Such type of message appear. So choose a new email address and follow on-screen instruction to complete the creating a Microsoft account in your Windows 11 system. Thereafter choose a password. If successfully username entered, then choose a strong password and make the check against option and click on next. That's all.